I'm Ron from Kolleno, where we help you manage your billing and collections with ease. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign a billing schedule directly to a sales transactions in NetSuite. This way, you can apply a billing schedule to all items on a sales order in one step. Assigning a billing schedule at the transaction level is useful when you want consistent billing across all items on a sales order. It simplifies the billing process by ensuring that each item on the order follows the same billing timeline. So I will go to Transactions, Sales, enter Sales Orders. So on this page, if you have a start date field, you enter the date for the first invoice, and if you leave it blank, it will basically use the sales order date as the first billing date. You obviously select a customer here as usual, which you are familiar with, and then to assign a billing schedule, you need to go on the billing subtab, and then here you will see the billing schedule field to choose the one you want to apply. It will apply to all items on the order. If you want to create a new billing schedule, you click on the plus here, and then you follow the necessary steps. You fill in any other required fields on the sales order as needed, and then you will click on Save in the top left. Quick reminder that if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more NetSuite tips and updates. And then what if you want to apply a billing schedule to an existing sales order? That you will go to Transactions, Sales, enter Sales Orders List. You then find the sales order that you want to edit. And once you're here, you follow the same process as usual by going to Billing and then choose the billing schedule here. And that's it. Assigning billing schedules at the transaction level makes it easy to manage consistent billing across all items on the sales orders. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.